Okay, so good morning, good evening, Mr. X's class. We're here to talk about the word normal. Normal is an adjective. It's the same in Spanish, normal. And it basically has the same meaning in Spanish and English. I think it's not a very hard word. It can mean typical, usual, or ordinary, what you would expect. That's the way we usually use it. Or it can mean, for psychology, not suffering from any mental disorder. Not having a mental disease. But in the same way, typical, usual, not having a problem, right? And in Spanish, normal. And we have a sentence over here. Modern writers challenge readers' ideas of what is normal. So there can be books where they're like surreal books that are strange things happen, and it doesn't seem like what would normally happen. So it challenges your idea of what is normal. There are books like that. So we have a whole lot of word families. So let's see if we can guess the parts of speech using prefixes and suffixes. So normalization, what is that? We talked about that, I think yesterday, that this ending, or maybe 1 or 2 days ago. What is the part of speech that goes with T-I-O-N in English? Noun. Noun. Always a noun. Which is not, in Spanish it can be a verb sometimes, but not in English. It's always a noun in English. Normalization is the process of making something normal. It becomes normal. And normalize, what do you think that would be? Verb. Eyes is, like Isad, it's a verb ending. To normalize, to make something normal. Normally, what do you think that is?
Adverb.
Adverb.
Yeah.
Ly is not always, but usually an adverb ending. So it's a good guess that ly words are adverbs. Normally, in a normal way. Doing something in a normal way. Normality. Anybody know what that might be? That's kind of similar to an ending in Spanish, actually. Iti in English is kind of like edad. So what's that? Edad. Nacionalidad. Noun.
No.
Noun. Normality. So normalization is the process of making something normal. Normality is the state of being normal. It is already normal. Okay, and then there's one other one, which is ab. Ab here means not. So abnormal, adjective, not normal. Abnormally, what is the part of speech of abnormally?
Adverb.
Ly, adverb, yes. In a not normal way. Opposite of normally. Okay, and then abnormality, edad, noun. Yeah. Okay, synonym, natural, regular, or ordinary. Same meaning as normal. And abnormal, antonym would be abnormal or unusual. And let's make some sentences. So we could say the normal EP schedule in the AM starts at 8 and ends at 3:10, except on Wednesday. That's the normal EP schedule. Regular, usual. But except on Wednesday, we don't have the normal schedule. We have a different schedule. It's not normal, you could say, because it's different from the other days. So are there any questions about the word normal? Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much for filming.